Have you heard of the circular economy? It's an innovative economic model that's gaining traction worldwide. Unlike the traditional linear take, make, dispose approach, the circular economy aims to minimize waste and maximize resource efficiency. It's all about keeping products, materials, and resources in use for as long as possible. The key principles of the circular economy include designing out waste and pollution, keeping products and materials in use, and regenerating natural systems. According to the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, a circular economy could generate $4.5 trillion in economic benefits by 2030. For example, in a circular economy, products might be leased rather than sold, allowing companies to retain ownership and responsibility for their life cycles. This approach promotes economic, environmental, and social benefits by reducing dependency on finite resources and supporting sustainable production and consumption. The circular economy is a powerful solution to the environmental challenges we face. By rethinking the way we produce, consume, and dispose of products, we can create a more sustainable future. Are you ready to be part of the circular revolution?